Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learning Hub 2.0. Today I will guide you how to create research proposal by using ChatGPT within 5 minutes. Let me show you with examples how you people can create your research proposal by using this AI tool within the 5 minutes. Let me show you. Let's go and start. First of all, I will log into my ChatGPT account. After that, I will give prompt to the ChatGPT. Let me. Here is my topic of research proposal. I entered my topic and I asked ChatGPT to create research proposal. Let's see. Yes, here you can see that ChatGPT created a wonderful research proposal for this topic, the effect of global warming on aquatic species. Here is the concise abstract about my topic, and after abstract, here is a short introduction about this topic. After this introduction, ChatGPT added the objectives. Here are the objectives of this study. Methodology include field study, laboratory experiment, data analysis, case studies. Between ChatGPT give me each and every aspect of this topic, and it's up to you. You can expand your that point, or even you can even more concise that point, and expected results are also given, and implications. You can see that ChatGPT also produced implications and timeline and overall budget on this project, and at the end the conclusion. Here you can see that ChatGPT created an outstanding research proposal while it created in minutes, but when you are creating a research proposal, it can take days, even weeks, and even months to create a stunning proposal. But this time, chat insert citations, for example, from where this data have been taken. Insert citations. Here you can see that ChatGPT inserted the in citations like Perry et al. 2005. I'll show you. Here you can see that citations have been given by ChatGPT, and here you can also see that results. ChatGPT showed the previous articles related to this topic and mentioned the citations. Even you can see that at the end, ChatGPT will also produce references. Let me show you. Here is the references of all the citations given by ChatGPT within these research proposals. After the advancements of AI writing tools, it has been very easy for you writing a research proposal. You can also add any points extra by giving the prompt to the ChatGPT. Here you can see that all these references have been given by ChatGPT. Let me show you more example. Go to I copied the reference from ChatGPT and pasted here to find the original article. Here you can see that this is the article from where the ChatGPT took the data, and all these references given by ChatGPT you can check in that way. And ChatGPT made it very easy for you to create a research proposal within minutes, even 5 to 10 minutes totally it will take to create outstanding research proposal.